Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your 14-day free trial on the GoHighLevel application. So let's get started right away. You can either open up the GoHighLevel application on your device and then click on Create a New Account, or you can also open up your web browser and then type in GoHighLevel.com and press Enter. This will take you into the GoHighLevel website. From here, you can click on Start 14-day trial, which will take you into the sign up page. Now just type in your company name, followed by your full name and email address. Finally, type in your phone number and then click on Go to Step 2. Once you have verified your phone number and email address, you will be asked to enter your payment information within Step 2. Now, even if you are asked to provide your information, if you cancel before 14 days have passed, you will not be charged a single cent. So provide your payment information, and once your payment has been verified, you will get access to the GoHighLevel platform. You can now go into Login and then use these credentials to log into your account. You also have the option to sign in with your Google account directly. And there you have it. That is how you can start your 14-day free trial on the GoHighLevel application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.